If you have a really long PDF file and you want to use just 1 or 2 pages out of it, you can open up the file in Foxit, find the pages that you want to save or work with. I want just page 3 out of this 33-page file. So I'm going to click File, Print, and instead of your regular printer that you have assigned, click the down arrow and find one that says it's a PDF printer. So I'm going to use my Foxit Reader PDF printer, and now I'm going to tell it I only want to print page 3, and when I click OK, it opens up a save window. Choose where you want to save it. I always like to change my file name to note what page it was. So this is just page 3, and click Save. Foxit, once it's done saving it, will automatically open it in a new tab, and you can see I only have 1 page here.